And the controversies continue even in the Kannada film industry, commonly known as the sandalwood industry. A lookout notice has now been issued against accused brother-in-law Vivek Oberoi, Aditya Alva. Police has said the son of a former Karnataka minister has not left India yet. According to police, Aditya Alva is accused number 6 and has not been traceable ever since the drug investigation started. He allegedly organized parties where some of the hard drugs were used and distributed. Meanwhile, accused actor Sanjana Galrani, Ragini Dwivedi have been in judicial custody at the central jail following marathon interrogation by the police. They will have to wait even longer as their bail hearing application has been pushed to Thursday. In another drug-related case, Kannada serial actors Abhishek Das and Geeta Bhatt have been summoned for questioning today. Actor Yogesh and another former cricketer Ayyappa's statement have also been recorded. Let's go across now to the city of Bengaluru. Nolan Pinto joining me for all the latest. Nolan, since the past few days, there have only been new names cropping up in the Kannada film industry and possible links to the drug angle. But if there's one name still missing, that is of Aditya Alva.
Well, Pooja, as of now, like you rightly stated, a lookout notice has been sent by the Bengaluru police, basically the CCB, for two individuals. Aditya Alva, like you mentioned, and also Shiv Prakash, who's the prime accused in this particular case. Now, they believe that they are not out of the country. They are somewhere, anywhere. They can be anywhere over here. They're not in Bengaluru as of now. This is what we know. The police have actually gone to their friend's place, their relatives' homes. They have not been able to find them, and that's why they have this LOC or the lookout notice has been issued. But apart from that, Pooja, I have to mention, this is not the only drug-related case which is going on now. The one that you're talking about, Ragini, and also where Sanjana is involved, a case has been registered in the Cotton Pit police station. But another case has been registered now against serial actors who are allegedly involved, and this is by the Internal Security Division of the Karnataka police. In fact, two peddlers were arrested from Kerala itself, and that's why the TV serial actors were questioned today.
Very interesting what you're telling us. This could even pan different states as well. More numbers escalating. Keep tracking all the latest. Nolan Pinto in Bengaluru. Thank you very much for now.
Hello everyone. This is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.